All right, guys, 12 seconds before market opens. I'll be watching ADIL, Workday, AMBA, TIK just in case. I'm not crazy about TIK, but I'll watch it. And there goes ADIL squeezing like crazy. I'm not going to be trading that. I have to wait till that pulls back. Workday is just getting smoked right now. So I'll let ADIL squeeze up. Again, I'm not trading that. That's just not going to chase up that 1 minute candle. TIK is not looking super strong. Workday got bought all the way back up after it's washed out of the gates. So kind of watching Workday here for a possible long. TIK trying to move up there, trying to move higher. Again, fingers on the trigger for a long here on Workday. I just don't really want to buy the high of this candle. I kind of want to wait for one more candle here. All right, I'm long on Workday. Just got long. Still buying the high of that candle, but it just kept giving that appearance like it wanted to squeeze. So giving it a chance here. So still holding Workday as it pulls back and then it just dumps. Jeez. All right, getting ready to take Workday off here. So like red to green move basically failed there instantly. ADIL still moving higher here, so you can keep that on watch. Wow, super surprised that Workday got smoked that hard. TIK looking really weak. Be a little hesitant on TIK. So still holding long here on Workday, not really liking it. Might get ready to take it off. I am. So I'm out of Workday. Red to green move just completely failed. And even on good earnings and everything, it's still kind of moving around. So might need more time to set up. So that sucks. Had to take a $477 loss. Start the day. Terrible entry, and it's all good. AMBA is just not really doing a whole lot as of right now. A lot of back and forth trading going on there. TIK is looking like it's going to roll over and just drop here, so be very careful on that. So watching AMBA here. I'm long AMBA. So currently long AMBA, starting to push up here. Starting to sell some here on AMBA. Just sold majority of my shares on AMBA. AMBA squeezing beautifully. Just sold most of my shares. Only have 500 shares now on AMBA long. Would love to see it break the pre-market high and continue squeezing. ADIL still moving higher. So AMBA is kind of stalling right now, but it's still pretty strong here. So I got 500 shares on. Would love to see it break 39.50. That's kind of that pre-market resistance area. If it can break that, we should have another pop, and that's most likely where I'll take the rest of these shares off on AMBA long after we break over 39.50s. If we break over 39.50s, that is. Still looks pretty strong. You know, getting some seller wicks on these candles right now. If I ever get tired of stocks, be a comedian. I probably could do that. I mean, I used to think that I could be a comedian when I was younger, but I think we all thought that at one point. So still holding long here on AMBA. I don't like the way this candle's performing. All right, I'm all out of AMBA. I took it off just after that candle kind of started acting all weird. I was like, you know what? Let me lock in the win. So that was a $1,400 win altogether. So that's good. That gets us up to about 1,000 profit on the day. I want to say $922. See, look at and see even right there, like that was a mistake. I basically sold right into the pullback, which is a mistake. I should have waited for the pullback before selling, but again, you still have those emotions while trading. It's hard to fully get rid of them. Workday looks like it's getting ready to sell off here. So I'm short Workday. I'm going to see if we can kind of scalp this down real quick. Just looking really heavy. And there it goes. And I'm already out of Workday there for a $200 win. So just covered up Workday. Not that I needed to necessarily fully cover up, but just making quick money, locking in the profit there on that trade. Good job to those who traded ADIL this morning. That was a good one to watch. Ended up performing pretty well. So good job to you guys. Oh my goodness, I apologize, guys. I'm super sorry about that. That is my mistake. So the only thing that's really hitting the high day scanners is TIK, ADIL, which we were already watching. And then there has been Solo and OGEN. So really OGEN is the only other one that hit the scanner. So we were watching what already hit high a day. OGEN is the one too that's kind of squeezing like right now. So you can keep an eye on that. I would be a little cautious on OGEN. Let's see, where's it at? Yeah, actually, it's got room to go up to, I'm going to say what, like one. Oh, did it already get there? No, 129. I think it's got some room up to 129 is probably where we'll see what starts selling off from. Right there at 129. It's hitting 129, selling off right now. So far 129 is that resistance. Yep, there it goes, selling. Yeah. So you can follow that. Watch OGEN now that it's kind of pulling back and doing its thing. Might be some movement there. ADIL just went through a pullback. Again, really nothing about ADIL really looks all that amazing. It just opened up, had one. So there was one move, first pullback, one move, second pullback. This is your third pullback. This is most likely going to fail here and kind of roll over a little bit. I would be surprised if it didn't. Well, I guess it's over the previous high. So yeah, unless it breaks down previous high levels, it's still bullish on the day, these previous high day levels, So we'll see what ADIL wants to do. At least it's over previous high day from yesterday. That's a good sign. Squeezed up to 465 here today. So ADIL all the way up to 465 puts it at, this is a recent IPO. That's why I can't date back that far. So yeah, the nice thing about this is a recent IPO. So theoretically, it has room to run. There's really no overhead resistance in terms of previous price action. At least I don't think. I think it may have a little bit more. No, it's over. It's over its IPO price of 438. So, who knows? Maybe this turns into something crazy on the day. We'll follow it for now. So far we've gone through this pullback on ADIL. It's struggling to go higher. This is where I would start watching ADIL to hopefully perform, like some type of bullish pennant, something like this, some consolidation that leads it into another, hopefully a bullish move. It just has to not break down here. If it doesn't break down, then it has the opportunity to do so, but still has to kind of stay up, right? So we'll see what happens there. VMW, disappointing so far in their earnings here, this play. GameStop's trying to break down 1280, which is the pre-market support level. So GameStop is down to that 1280 price. I'm getting ready to snap. It's a little bit overextended. Personally, I would like for it to not snap, give us one pop candle, two pop candles, and then get in short. ADIL still holding up, hasn't fully broken down yet, so it has the opportunity to possibly, continue higher here. Look at that short squeeze candle there on GME, GameStop. ADIL still holding up here. Not bad. Going to be watching this closely. Yeah, guys, once again, sorry for not having those scanners up. Do apologize about that. Yeah, so, kind of a main watch here is ADIL. It's just kind of channeling a little bit back and forth over 9, over VWAP, in between price action. This isn't bad, right? Though it arguably is a little bit boring to watch sometimes, it's all good. I mean, that's what we need to happen. All right, I'm getting long on ADIL. It just has this bullish look. All right, there it goes. Couldn't even get out there like I wanted. So just sold some there on ADIL. Tried to get out some shares on the ask. Didn't really work all that well. Just sold some more shares. ADIL is kind of struggling after it broke over the previous high here. Didn't like how it struggled there. So still holding 1,500 shares long on ADIL here. Again, still got 1,500 shares on. Still holding. Still got buyers coming in. That's good. Let's go. There it goes. Kind of. There it goes. All right, I'm downsizing even more. There, didn't like how it kind of popped up and rejected again. Okay, I downsize only to 500 shares on ADIL because it's struggling to get over that 475 level. So I'm basically all out of the position. Only have 500 shares on now. Tiny win. Well, not tiny, but basically only 10-cent gain here, which is all good. Oh, nice. So far, we got about a $700 win here on ADIL. 500 shares on, still holding. Would love to see it over that 475. It's really struggling. That's all good. I'll keep these 500 shares on for right now. All right, guys, still holding long here. 500 shares, ADIL. don't like all these seller wicks. You can see the candles aren't full. They pop up and they have all these seller wicks. I mean, it makes it's a little fakey when you see that. AYTU just kind of hit the scanners. Okay, I'm all out of ADIL, all out on ADIL. So got about almost a $700 win there on that. That's good. That gets us up to $1,800 profit today trading. So that's good. AYTU hit the scanners just probably a minute ago, 2 minutes ago. Things starting to fly. Okay. So AYTU is kind of shooting up here. I want to hop in on it, but it's overextended over the VWAP and the 9 moving average. So I would actually like to see it pull back more so than anything. GameStop had a really big short squeeze. Now it's still squeezing. Kind of interesting. All right, AYTU down there. Not really much going on. Zuo's kind of interesting. Earnings play down into $17.40, up towards kind of the closing price the previous day. Netflix has this bullish kind of dip buy look to it right now. So watching Netflix here, it looks like Netflix could be getting ready to pop a little bit, but again, it really needs the help from the market too. The market's what's going to help push this price on Netflix up. Yeah, I didn't pull the trigger there with Netflix. Could watch MU. MU looks a little weak as well to the downside. Yeah, it's kind of scanning, looking around, seeing if there's something else that I'm missing. But as of right now, just holding off. Not seeing anything I'm super crazy about entering in on a trade. Well, for those of you that are tuning in to seeing this video on YouTube, we're going to end this stream there. We'll be up again 1800 here for the day. So pretty good day trading here so far. Thank you guys again for tuning in for those of you on YouTube, and we'll see you guys on the next video.